Hello and welcome. My name is Sahin Sünger. I'm the head of Friction Stir Welding division at Grenzebach. In this video I would like to discuss pores and cavities in the casting substructure which affect the seam quality during the friction stir welding process. In addition, I would like to explain why friction stir welding can tolerate these volumetric deficiencies. The tolerable size of each void as well as the size of clusters strongly depends on the process conditions, such as the process control, the tool type and the geometry of the workpieces. In addition, the sensitivity of the monostir tool to volumetric deficiencies in the casting substructure is significantly lower than that of a dynasty tool. The differences as well as the advantages of each tool concept are explained in more detail in the video Friction Stir Welding Tool Technologies. In order to guarantee a high quality seam despite these volumetric deficiencies, Grenzebach developed force control systems that compensate for volumetrical deficiencies in the best way possible. In conclusion, I would like to emphasize that negative effects of volumetric deficiencies on the seam quality can be significantly reduced by using a force controlled process compared to other processes. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me or to my colleagues.